Use discussion forums and topics to increase communication and collaboration in your course. This tutorial shows how to create a discussion topic. To begin, from Discussions, click New and select New Topic. All discussion topics are contained within forums. Select the forum that will house your topic from the forum drop-down list or create a new forum using New Forum. For this example, we will select a forum from the drop-down list. Then, select your topic type. There are two types of topics: open topics, where all learners can contribute, and groups or section topics that restrict contribution to the specified group or section. Navigate to Title. Enter a title. Enter a description, if desired, to provide additional context or guidelines for learners. Select the options that you want to apply to the topic, such as the ability for learners to post anonymously or requiring that a moderator approve posts before they display. For this example, we will require that learners start a thread before they can read and reply to others' threads. Navigate to Rate Posts. Here you can apply a rating scheme to your discussion topic. This allows readers to rate posts using one of three methods: 5-star, upvote, downvote, or upvote only. For this example, we will leave the default No Ratings. Navigate to the Restrictions tab and click it. Next, set date availability if desired. For this example, we will leave the default so learners always have access to the discussion topic. You can also choose to lock or unlock a topic in the Locking Options section. When you lock a topic, it still displays to learners. However, they cannot participate in the topic until the date it is unlocked. For this example, we will unlock the topic for a specific date range. Click Unlock Topic for a specific date range. Click Has Start Date and then select the desired date and time. Repeat these steps for Has End Date. When you are ready, click Save and Close. The topic displays following the designated forum in the discussions list. Use discussion forums and topics to increase communication and collaboration in your course.